Electricity powers our workplaces, but it also poses one of the deadliest hazards on the job. Every year, thousands of workers suffer electrical injuries, and electrocution remains one of OSHA's top 10 most frequently cited violations. The truth is, most of these accidents are preventable. That's why lockout, tagout, or LOTO is so important. LOTO is a simple yet powerful procedure designed to prevent machines from starting up accidentally while maintenance or servicing is being performed. At OSHA Online Center, we've created the Electrical Safety and Lockout Tagout LOTO US course to keep you, your team, and your workplace safe. In just 42 minutes, you'll learn how to identify electrical hazards and understand how current flows, electrical safety and lockout, tagout, use grounding and PPE to protect yourself. Apply OSHA's LOTO standard, including energy control programs and isolating devices, electrical safety and lockout, tagout. Safely apply and remove lockout and tagout devices. Communicate with your team and ensure inspections keep safety standards in place. Without proper training, hazardous energy can lead to devastating accidents. But with the right knowledge, you can take control of safety and prevent life-threatening mistakes. This training not only protects lives, it also creates a safer, more compliant workplace for everyone. And here's the best part. Once you complete the course, you will receive a certificate of completion. Proof that you're trained, qualified, and committed to safety. Don't wait until an accident happens. Invest just 42 minutes today for knowledge that could save a life tomorrow. Enroll now in the Electrical Safety and Lockout Tagout LOTO US course at OSHAOnlineCenter.com.